Imagine if you could build your own AI model without writing a single line of code. It sounds futuristic, but it's entirely possible today. With the rise of no-code AI platforms, anyone can create and train AI models without needing deep technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or simply curious about AI, learning to train models without coding can open up countless opportunities. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for data scientists and programmers. Thanks to no-code AI platforms, anyone can leverage machine learning to automate tasks, analyze data, and even generate creative content. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process of training an AI model without coding, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how you can build, train, and use AI models for your own needs. Understanding AI models. Before we dive into training AI models without coding, let's first understand what an AI model is. At its core, an AI model is a program that has been trained on data to make predictions or recognize patterns. There are different types of AI models, including classification models used for tasks like identifying spam emails or recognizing handwriting, regression models used for predicting numerical values, such as housing prices, generative models used for creating new content, like AI-generated images or text, recommendation systems used by streaming services to suggest content. Typically, training an AI model requires writing complex code in languages like Python or R. But thanks to modern no-code tools, you can train a model without writing a single line of code. Selecting the right no-code AI platform. Several no-code AI platforms allow you to train and deploy models without programming. Some of the most popular ones include Teachable Machine by Google, great for image, sound, and pose recognition. Lobe by Microsoft, an easy-to-use tool for image classification. Runway ML, a powerful AI tool for creatives. DataRobot, ideal for business analytics and predictive modeling. ML, designed for object detection and computer vision tasks. Choosing the right platform depends on the type of model you want to train. For instance, if you want to classify images, Teachable Machine and Lobe are excellent choices, while DataRobot is better for business applications. Preparing your dataset. Every AI model needs data. The quality of your data determines how well your model performs. When preparing a dataset, follow these key principles. Gather high-quality data. If you're training a model to recognize images, use clear and relevant pictures. If you're working with text, ensure the data is well organized. Label your data correctly. No-code platforms often require labeled data. For example, if you're training a model to recognize cats and dogs, label your images correctly. Ensure balanced data. Avoid bias by including a diverse and balanced dataset. Training an AI model without code. Let's go through the step-by-step process of training an AI model without coding using a no-code tool like Teachable Machine. Upload your data. Drag and drop images, text, or audio files into the platform. Organize them into categories, for example, cat and dog for an image classification model. Train the model. Click the Train Model button. The platform will analyze the data and create an AI model based on the patterns it detects. This step may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the dataset. Test the model. Upload new images, text, or audio to see if the model correctly identifies them. If the accuracy is low, adjust the dataset and retrain the model. Deploy the model. Once satisfied with the results, export the model for real-world use. Many platforms allow integration with websites, apps, or automation tools like Zapier, the future of no-code AI. As AI technology advances, no-code platforms are becoming more powerful. In the near future, we can expect more user-friendly interfaces. Platforms will become even easier to use. Greater automation. AI will handle more complex tasks with minimal user input. Integration with everyday tools. AI will seamlessly integrate with business software, social media platforms, and mobile apps. More ethical AI. As AI adoption grows, ensuring fairness and transparency will be a priority. The ability to train AI models without coding is a game changer. It empowers individuals and businesses to leverage artificial intelligence for solving problems, enhancing creativity, and making better decisions. Whether you want to automate tasks, generate insights, or create AI-powered applications, no-code AI provides an accessible path to innovation. With tools like Teachable Machine, Lobe, and Runway ML, AI is no longer restricted to programmers. Anyone can now experiment, build, and deploy AI models effortlessly. The future belongs to those who embrace AI, and no-code platforms are making that future more inclusive and exciting. Now that you understand how to train an AI model without coding, it's time to explore these tools and start building your own AI-powered projects. What kind of AI model would you like to create? Let us know in the comments.